Hi, Lou Chorney again from Colonial Trading in downtown Boston. Here today we're going to talk about gold. Everybody thinks they know about gold, but do they really understand the history of it? Gold, which has been around in the ground and around the world since obviously the beginning of Earth, for thousands of years has been valued by cultures which are independent of each other. In other words, they valued gold as money, and it's not a coincidence. It has certain properties that are universal, and early cultures made objects. This is a pure gold Buddha, which is made today, but like the Incas also, they made objects which were used as jewelry and as money. Egyptians, various other cultures. Anyway, gold, once it was put to use, became a unit of money. Coins were struck about 700 BC by the Lydians, and then of course by the Greek and the Romans and subsequent empires around the world. This over here, which I showed in the early segment, is a 1 kilo bar of gold. Okay, now we're going to jump to the current. This over here is about $42,000 in the current market. What this comes from is gold, which is unearthed from the ground, as well as recycled gold. This over here is a bag of what we call scrap gold. It's just unwanted and used gold, which people have discarded. So it's a beautiful thing. Gold can be taken to a refinery and put into this form, and then put into other jewelry and or coinage like this. So I'm going to jump forward to why gold today. Gold has a value which is historic, but in the first world we have forgotten about what gold really means. We have paper money today, and paper money has been self-reliant, especially in the United States, since the Civil War. But countries like China and India, which are emerging markets, have always had terrible paper money. So their cultures, and by the way, they're more than half the world, their cultures understand the value of gold because that was a hard asset to go back on and always have solid value, no matter what their paper money has done. And that, folks, is why gold is going to be great for the future.